Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, get ready for a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Patch Tool to create a topographical terrain for the sloping site in Rhino 3D. Import the terrain or contour lines file in the Rhino software. Select all the curves and move all the contours to their specific height. In this example file, we are going to move each contour line with 1 m height difference. Orbit the viewport to see if there is any curve missed to be moved in their location. Here in our example, we have created one valley and one ridge top. Now select all the curves with the help of Selection Tool or Ctrl+A. Type in the command named Patch and start adjusting the settings. To check the output, select the Preview button on the bottom of the dialog box. Once all the settings are done, click on OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. Thanks for watching. If you want more such updates and tips and tricks on Rhino 3D software, and please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next video.